So a negative exponent technically means you're dividing, which means you move your decimal backwards. In this case, if I have negative 3.56 times 10 to the negative 4, I've got to move my decimal back 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would have 0.000356. Of course, it's still negative, and they like you to put the 0 in front of the decimal just because it looks pretty there. If you leave it off, it'll say it's correct, however. So same thing, if you were going to put that into your calculator, you would do negative 3.56 times 10 caret negative 4, and it would give it to you in standard form. So write 0.000256 in scientific notation. Again, you always want your decimal behind the first non-zero digit. So in this case, I'm going to put it behind the 2. 2.56 times 10 to the, and if I moved it there, I'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 places backwards. So I have a negative 4 for my exponent. We're on the chapter 4 packet, day 25.
You still need the parentheses for the calculator for one, right?
If you were doing a math problem, yes. If you're just going to punch this in, you don't need them, but if you were going to do an adding or multiplying or dividing problem with scientific notation, then you would put the parentheses around it. So that you tell the calculator, this is all one number.
And then you would multiply it times another number?
And then you multiply times another number, yep.
Oh, okay.
We'll get down there.
Oh.
So number 12 on the top of the next page, we have 0.0034. We want to put that in scientific notation. We would have what?
3.4?
3.4 times 10 to the negative 3. Yep. So most common mistake I see on these is people forget to put the negative on. So just remember, if you have a number bigger than 1, you have a positive exponent, but if it's less than 1, in other words, it's a decimal number, it's going to have that negative exponent. So now we're going to get